Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Come August, the Insurance Association of Jamaica IAJ plans to roll out its digital database. The online platform is intended to revolutionize the motor vehicle insurance business in Jamaica. IAJ President Adrian Stokes says the system will streamline motor vehicle insurance in Jamaica and make it easier for insurance companies to access and share information.
The insurance industry has been developing a database of all insured vehicles in Jamaica. We are happy to report that we now have started a pilot run of the database, the Insurance Vehicle Information System, or IVIS.
He says IVIS is expected to pave the way for the complete digitization of the motor vehicle insurance process.
When launched, this system will facilitate the TVJ to license motor vehicles without the need to present documents physically at the tax office. This will eventually set the stage for motorists to license their motor vehicles online.
The system is also intended to assist law enforcement officers by allowing them to access motor vehicle insurance information digitally in real time.
The system will also give the police digital access to the insurance status of motor vehicles, which we expect will increase motor insurance compliance, thus reducing the risk posed to road users of having an accident caused by an uninsured motor vehicle. We are expecting IVIS to be on stream within the next 3 months.
CAC 2000 and Tropical Battery have announced the joint formation of a new company called Onvate Limited. Onvate will adopt a unique approach to establishing energy-saving solutions for commercial customers in Jamaica and the Caribbean. The company will focus on real-time measurement, monitoring of energy consumption, and using the resulting data to identify, design, and execute energy and water-saving opportunities. Onvate officially started offering its product and services on June 1, 2021. The joint venture is being led by Stephen Marston, former CEO of CAC 2000, in conjunction with a jointly selected board of directors. In currency trading, the US dollar is selling for $149.87. The Canadian dollar sold for $125.22. The pound is going for $212.61, while the euro closed at $184.15. The JSE index gained 5,470 points today, while the junior market index inched up 11 points. Among the winners were KLE Group, Knoxford Express, JMMB Group 7.15%, Maybury Investments, and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares. Now on the losing side were Berger Paints, Siboney Group, 1834 Investments, Fontana, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.